Hi, this is Alicia Hinze from pastry chef and owner of the Buttered Tin. And unfortunately the Buttered Tin is closed right now, and so I'm at home like the rest of you, and Mr. Sydney here, my son, has been asking to make a cake since we woke up this morning, so we thought we would share that with you. I also bake my cakes in 3 layers, or I like to do 3 layers, sometimes 4. I like the cakes a little bit tall. They bake more even and more moist and less brown. So, and let's be honest, somebody already got into the piece of that cake. Was that you, Sydney? Did you do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So, what we're going to do is a simple decoration, because we still have celebrations at home, or maybe we want to leave a cake at a neighbor's house for a gift or something like that. But I'm pretty sure this one is going to be eaten here. So I posted the recipe for this vanilla cake of mine, and
Can I do it?
yeah, hold on to the spatula with mommy. Just like that. All right, we did make a big dent in it, but that's okay. We can fix that right up. Just like that. Okay, now it's the sprinkle time.
Can I get sprinkles?
Yeah, so I'll show you the easiest way. I literally just found all the sprinkles that we had in the house and we dumped them on it. Now hold on a second, I'll show you how to do this. And you're gonna help mommy, okay?
Mommy.
Yeah, you're gonna help mom do this. Okay, so let's see here. I'm just gonna pick up the cake. Don't touch it, please. Don't touch, please. We gotta wait, okay? All right, so now we have a bowl of sprinkles, right? And this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take these sprinkles and we're just gonna press them up on the top. Watch mommy do it. Just like that.
Can I?
Now we're just gonna do that all the way around the cake.
Can
Yeah?
I try?
Yeah, of course you can. Just like this.
Okay.
Yeah, look at you, even got some chocolate on you. Yes, you probably will get sprinkles everywhere, but that's kind of the, hold on one second. Oh, you're gonna put some on the top too?
Yeah.
All right, there you go, okay. All right. Then you can just set it on a plate, put a candle on it, put it in a box, give it to a neighbor. Let's take a piece out.
No, that's our cake.
That's our cake? Okay, well, we'll eat that, all right? So we'll just cut right into it. Are you gonna eat this, or is mommy gonna eat it?
I'm gonna.
Ooh, it's so nice and moist, I can tell. Wait, look at this. Look at this, Sydney. Look at how yummy that looks. Should we try it? Okay, there's your fork.
That's mine.
That's your fork. Is this the cake that you've been asking for all morning? Okay, can mommy have a bite?
No, that's just mine.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, I hope you're able to enjoy this one at home. Thanks. Before anyone says that they can't find flour on the shelves, and so baking cakes at home can't happen, I actually found that cake flour is plentiful on the shelves right now. It's the all-purpose flour that is gone. And I actually use cake flour for all my cakes because it has the least gluten, and then it makes a much more moist, spongy, nice cake. So, cake flour, I'm sure you can find it on the shelves right now. Okay, let's get a fork.